All right, guys, I wanted to go over this quick fishing lure kit that I got on Amazon. This fishing lure kit is really nice. As you can see, it came with a lot of different items. You know, some of the items happen to be, you know, a couple of fake fish, you know, a couple of fake lures. I love the fact that it came with a couple of weight options. As a new beginner, you know, this is something that I definitely wanted. So having a couple of different types of like weights, different, you know, fishing lures that look kind of like, you know, little small fish. And having you know, the little ridiculous frog that, you know, I guess some animals or fish may or may not capture. This is a good starter kit for me. You know, it has a lot of different options, and to me this seems like a learner kit, you know, and that's kind of the vibe that I got from it. Having so many options usually means, you know, you're a beginner, you're not sure what you want, but having all these options in front of you when you first get started does make things a little bit easier. If you see a person using a certain type of lure, a certain type of weight to put on their fishing rod, this keeps my mind at ease when I'm heading out to the lake, because I have all these different options I can use for any type of fish or fishes that I plan on trying to capture. So if you're looking for something, you know, pretty compact, nice case, you know, folds up nice, gives you a lot of options for fishing lures, and give you the variety you're looking for, I really suggest getting you a nice fishing lures kit from Amazon. It definitely has a lot of options for you, and if you're looking for some options when you go out to fish, this is the thing you need to have by your side.